Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Fassett, Quebec, is a charming town located along the beautiful Ottawa River. It is part of the Outaouais region, close to the Ontario border, and nestled between the towns of Montebello and Larignelle. This cozy town is known for its scenic surroundings, where lush, rolling hills meet peaceful riverside views. Fassett's location along the Ottawa River means it has long been a place where people enjoy outdoor activities like boating, fishing, and even just soaking up the natural beauty. The river here is not just a pretty sight, it's also been an important waterway for centuries, used by indigenous communities, and later by European settlers for travel and trade. Like much of the Outaouais region, Fassett saw waves of European settlers in the 19th century, attracted by the fertile land and access to the Ottawa River.
Thank you very much.
Many of the families here have been in the region for generations. The scenery here changes with the seasons, bright colors in the fall, snowy landscapes in the winter, and vibrant greens in spring and summer. Whether you're just passing through or spending a day by the river, Fassett offers a peaceful retreat from busy city life.